Alright, now that we have finished slicing our tomatoes, we will move on to blending them up. Full chimney style, we call it in the Mexican way.
Full chimney style. What's that?
It's looking hot. Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
That's hot. It probably is low-key fire.
That's good. That's good. So you want to sit there?
That looks like the meat from the last gator I caught.
Well, let me actually take out this blade first.
Yeah, because you don't want that dropping in on the. Good job. Good job, Maître'd, Mike. I'm proud of you. Becoming a real chef.
ASMR right there. Copyright.
You're copywriting the sound of tomatoes falling, diced up tomatoes falling into a bowl.
Blended tomatoes.
Whatever. Oh, be careful there, Maître'd, Mike.
Alright. Yeah, copyrighted.
Do you drop the onions in there?
I pour my...
Do you put this stuff in here?
Not all of them.
Not yet, not yet, not yet.
Don't put all of them in there. Okay. Don't put all the cilantro in. You can grind up all of it.
Alright, so we have to douse our cilantro.
Cilantro.
Gotta grab it by the stem, pull it out. Looks like a flower bouquet, but it's not. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna sit here. You're gonna go choppity chop 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 after you remove the little.
There's a thing on right there. Reeks of tomatoes now. Disgusting.
Onion.
I can't smell the onion no more because the onion weren't in there. Look, you can see in there where there's parts of onion still. Throw that all away. Take a bite of it. That's what you just Maître'd Mike not taste his food before he makes it.
All right, Bertha. So I throw this in here, right?
You can chop it in half and then throw it in there. And then don't put all of it in the salsa at once. Just put some in. For now.
Throw it in the food processor. Right?
It's a chopper, yeah.
It's a food processor.
It's a chopper.
It can't fly. It ain't no chopper.
Yeah, those choppers are those things that fly over. You know, they work for the government. You know that.
Little rat dog just biting my foot.
Hey, don't talk crap about my dog.
I'll beat your dog. I'll throw him in my next meal.
I'll throw you in my next meal, Maître'd Mike.
All right. So then you sit.
You're gonna regret saying that.
And you do this, and you don't want to blend it up too much. You just want to get that. All right.
Well,
what does this look like? Maybe a bit more. Maybe.
it looks like a Christmas tree.
It is done now. Throw it in the thing. Sorry.
You have to melt that stuff too.
Don't melt it.
You're not melting it.
No.
How are you not melting it? It looks like you're melting it.
And then you just kind of.
Don't put all of it in there. Just some.
It looks like you just put some in there.
That's a good amount. All right, so what you're gonna want to do, you're gonna want to get a bit of these. So I'm gonna get my habaneros.
You're not putting a lot of those, are you? Okay, good. Because I still need to make sure the salsa's good. That looks like a lot. It's not. Look at that big chunk of orange in there. It just disrupts the sea of Christmas colors.
Don't think about it like Christmas. Think about it like America.
Red, white, and green?
Mexico.
Now that you've got your stuff going.
Salsa is number one Americano.
You gotta mix it up.
Put your jalapenos in there.
I did. Actually, I think might need.
Why don't you take one and you go for your grown salt?
I can have the salt for you.
No.
How much? Did you ever put those green ones in there?
We did already.
Just dump the whole thing in there.
You need some chips.
Hey, I'm the mixer here.
You know what? I think you're not doing that good of a job. I think Gordon Ramsay would be doing better than you. You know what? I work for him. So I don't care what you say.
I don't care that you broke your elbow.
I'm gonna get us some chips to test this. Alright, I got the Chippos. Party size Cletus brand chips. No Barry, you can't go in there.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Mixing it up.
That looks really mixed.
Take it back.
Ow! Can you unpinch that, please? My finger.
Knock over all the alcohol.
Oh, my finger got stuck in there. Okay. This is Coach Cletus. This is the first trial we're going to be experimenting with. We're going to dip this Coach Cletus brand chip into the salsa.
We could use a bit more peppers.
Yeah.
Don't go crazy.
We know.
Use the green one. No more orange.
I know, Bertha.
Probably a little more garlic salt, too.
Sorry, I know I'm just the maid, but I'm just trying to give you a little.
Shut it, Bertha.
It's okay. We know you're a Hispanic woman just trying to throw in your input. Trying to help us.
Us
Good
Anglos. Us Anglos out.
us good white folk.
Gringos.
We are the Anglos.
Is it like is it like not coming out?
Alright.
I'm gonna mix it up and all.
Hey.
It looks really red.
You gotta scoop all the stuff off the sides.
Well, yeah, but I mean, isn't it usually green?
No.
Here, is it all mixed up?
No, it's never been green.
I swear it used to be green.
Green would be green salsa, Timmy.
Salsa verde, as we call it in the Mexican leagues.
Can't tell.
What?
You said the vodka tastes well.
I think it's good. And that was a successful tutorial on how to make salsa with Maître'd Mike. You have any comments, Maître'd?
Do this. Come back later. I don't know, a couple hours in the fridge. Edible recipe.